The program already is running. To access it, open the icon tray to find its icon. Currently, Proxy Switcher is running in the trial mode. We won't be using the wizard in this tutorial. The proxy servers already are being downloaded and tested. This is done by the background proxy scanning service. It is enabled by default. You can disable it if you wish. When it is running, it downloads, tests and retests the servers. New servers that are going to be tested by it first are placed into the core folder. To get more servers, we download all the proxy lists. These servers appear in the new folder. To find out which servers work, they need to be tested. We start with testing of all the servers in the current folder. Depending on the testing result, a server is moved to a different folder. Non-working servers go into dead folder. Servers that work but support only HTTP protocol are placed in basic anonymity folder. Ones that support both HTTP and HTTPS protocols are placed in the SSL subfolder. If we want to use a particular server, we need to switch to it. It's done by double-clicking on it. Now we can check in Chrome what IP addresses the web server sees. For this I use a specific page on my own site, but you can test this with any other similar site. Currently it is showing my real IP address, as I opened this page earlier without using a proxy server. If I refresh the page, you can see that requests are going through the proxy server I selected. However, my original address is shown as well. Let's try a different server. Let's look for a server in the United Kingdom. For this we use a filter. Now let's switch to it. Let's check what the server sees. In this case only the proxy server's address is visible. This is because the first server provides only basic anonymity, but this one is high anonymous server. High anonymous servers do not include your IP address in the requests it sends to the site you want to use. The trial version does not test if the server is high anonymous. To enable testing for anonymity, you will need to purchase the full version of the program. Now, for example, if we go to Google, we'll end up on Google's UK site. Let's switch back to a direct connection. This will disable the use of proxy servers. Another note about folders. If you drag a server to the proxy switcher folder, it will appear in the menu when you right-click on the program in the taskbar or in the icon tray. This concludes the introduction to anonymous surfing using Proxy Switcher. Thank you for watching.